Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today we are going to learn about subjective pronouns. Before we start the lesson, let us know what is subject pronoun. Subject pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Means it can replace the noun or the subject, and it plays the same role of a subject in the sentence. So let us take a look. Here they are. The first one is subjective pronoun, that is I. I means me, myself. He. He is only used for a boy or a man, a male person. She. She is used for girls or women. It. It is used for a place like a school, or it can be used for an animal like a dog, or it can be used for things like a chair. Next one is you. You means you, the one who is watching this video. You. The next one is we. We means other people and me. For example, I sing, you sing, we sing, which mean group of people including me. The last one is they. They means many people, not only people. It can be also places, animals or things, but it is more than one. If there are more than one, we use the subject pronoun they. Now let us move to the next part. Now we are going to practice together with subjective pronoun. First sentence say, Seema sings. Seema sings is one girl. So we can say she sings. Anil sings. Anil is a boy and he is one person. So we can say he sings. Now, Seema and Anil sing. They are two people. So we are going to say they sing. Let us do more practice. Now look here. The cat runs. The cat runs. The cat is an animal and it is one cat. So we have to say it runs. The dog and cat ran. They ran because they are two together. So we have to say they ran because they are a group of animals. So they are more than one. So we are going to say they ran. So anytime you have two or more things, you say they. Now here in the last one, I am going to talk about my cat only. The name of my cat is Simi. So Simi runs. So when I identify the name of a cat, so he runs. Simi runs. That is a male cat. So he runs. But why did I use he runs? Why not it runs? Because it's my family member and I love him, so I used he runs. Now let us move for another practice. This time we have to figure out the subjective pronoun together. Let us go to the first sentence. My students study. My students study. So students are group of people. So they are more than one people. So we have to use the subjective pronoun they. My students. My students, they studied. So what I have to say? They study. Next, Anil is handsome. Anil is a one person and he is only a boy. So what we are going to say? We are going to replace Anil with he. Yes, he, because he is one boy. He is handsome. Now, the last one. Burger is delicious. Burger is a food and it is only one item. It is a burger. So burger, it is thin, so it is delicious. It is delicious. More practice. New Delhi is a city. New Delhi is the name of a place. Okay, now to change it, we have to use it because it is a city and it is one city. It is a city. Next, my parents love Simi. Simi is my cat. So my parents, is it one parent? Yes, it is two people. So my mom and dad. So we are going to write they. They love Simi. They love Simi. The last one is similar to the previous one. My parents and I love Simi. So here, my parents, they are two people, and I means I am including the two people who are there. So we are going to say we love Simi. That means all of us love Simi. So in this video, we learned about subjective pronouns. I hope you learned, and I hope this video was very helpful to all of you. If you like this video, share it with the one who needs. Love and peace to all.